As business grow, it generates increasing amount of data. This data remains relevant throughout the life cycle of the business. Imagine a bank that has been in operation since 1999, struggling to pull out data of a transaction of 2010. Or a hospital that has been in operation since 2010, struggling to pull out a transaction of 2018. This becomes a big problem because it can lead to litigation or so many operational black hole. But with AI and RAG, it becomes so easy. If we are seeing for the first time, this is day 10 of me talking about AI value chain, RAG, Retrieval-augmented generation. In RAG, we blend retrieval systems like a vector search with generative language model like GPT-4 and Claude. And then we allow these large language models to access external knowledge at query time, rather than relying on what they've been trained on. This is very important and easy to understand. When you hear RAG, think of retrieval and generation. It's that simple. But for business leaders, you have to think of the RAG architecture as simple as possible. It starts with a data source, it has a retrieval system, and it has a generator. This is how basic it can be. But for you not to overthink it and to not complicate the whole thing, your cloud service providers like AWS, GCP, and Azure already have what you can use to just plug and play and build a RAG system for your business operation. Azure has what they call AI search, and also AWS have what they call AWS Bedrock. GCP have what they call Vertex AI. You can just plug and play your data to just build a RAG system within your business. But we have a big problem, which is data strategy. How do you plan your data? How do you work around it? It starts from building a pipeline from which data can be sourced, can be stored, and can easily be embedded and retrieved by this generative model. Then, of course, very importantly, data integrity. Data has to be clean, secure, and usable at all times. And very importantly, there have to be a policy and governance around this data. Who should see A? Who should see B? Who should see Y? And who shouldn't see Z? That's exactly how it should work. So the big question remains, is your data AI ready?